Okay guys, today we're unboxing a couple more keys. We have the Timeshift Key here, and we have the Omega Key here. I do have 4 more keys here that I'm not going to be unboxing this episode. So make sure to stay tuned to like and subscribe if you want to see me unbox those. Like I said, Skelton Crew Studio makes these keys. They're made out of real metal. They're very good quality. Please check out his store. It's very nice. I'll leave the link to his store in the description of this video. So first, let's look at the cards that come with this. So we have on the back, it shows all 100 keys in Key House, and you just check them off as you buy them from him. So right now I have 8 keys. On the other side, it shows the Well House with a couple of the keys he's made. And we have this other one that shows most of the keys on it. And it says, unlock the mysteries of Key House with the Lock and Key collection. So those are the cards. They're always the same. So let's start with the Timeshift Key. I'm also going to show you guys how to open these. I actually found a strategy if you want to preserve your box. So I like sticking my finger down here at the bottom, like just pulling up. Oh yeah, see, that one came out really easily. And then you just stick your fingers in there and pull. Put that right there. Guys, look at that. Look how beautiful that is. I'll take it out of here. So this is the Timeshift Key. There's a look at it again. So it's not in the show yet, but in the comic books, what it does is there's a grandfather clock in Key House, and you put it into there, and then you could see, you could go to any point in time. So it's kind of like a time traveler key. And I just love how this key looks. The gold, the silver, the detail put into this. Here's another look. I just really love this key. And it has 2 holes in the back because the key's a little bigger than the box, or the little plastic thing that it comes in, foam thing. So now we have the Omega Key. There. So it's a pretty easy strategy if you want to preserve your box. This key is pretty small, actually. It actually came out really easy. So this key doesn't actually have much detail. It just has the Omega symbol at the top. And really the only detail that I see is this line at the bottom of the key that just goes around. But this is the Omega Key. It's probably the most powerful because there's a black door in the sea caves underneath their house. And you open the door with this key. And what it does is it shoots these little pieces of whispering iron out of the door, and if it hits you, you turn into a demon. But if you take it, you can melt it and make keys with powers. So yeah, that's the Omega Key again. And this key is actually, I'm pretty sure, my smallest key. Yeah, look how small that is compared to my sand clock key. But I have 2 other keys that I've already unboxed, so make sure to check out those videos. I really love these keys, and remember, check out the store. They're $30 each for 1 key. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.